Good morning students, मैं रामपुर प्रजापत फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट इन SCIT लोकता। डियर स्टूडेंट, आज के सेक्शन में हम स्टडी करेंगे पावर सिस्टम एंड आवर टॉपिक इज इफेक्ट ऑफ कोरोना। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी वांट टू नो दैट व्हाट इज कोरोना। Corona, the phenomena of ionization of surrounding air around the conductor, due to which luminous glow with hissing noise rise, is known as corona. Means it is the effect of ionization of the surrounding air nearby the conductor, which cause hissing noise, is known as corona effect. Now, formation of corona, how it is created. We know that air is not a perfect insulator, and under normal conditions air contains many free electrons and ions. When an electric field intensity established between the conductors, these ions and free electrons experience force. Due to this effect, the ions and free electrons get accelerated and move in the opposite directions. It means when a charge comes in the electric field of other charge, it experiences force, due to which this charge moves from the position. The charged particles during their movement collide with one another and also with the very slow moving uncharged molecules. During this process, the number of charged particles goes on increasing rapidly. So, this increases the conduction of air between the conductor and a breakdown occurs. Thus, the arc established between the conductors, which was hissing noise. This is the formation of corona. Now there are some factors which affect corona loss. These are: first is effect of supply voltage. How supply voltage affects the corona? If the supply voltage is higher, corona loss is higher. In the line, in low voltage transmission line, the corona is negligible due to the insufficient electric field to maintain ionization. It means in high voltage line, electric field around the conductor becomes more higher, due to which ionization of particles surrounding the conductor form an arc or hissing noise. Second is condition of conductor surface. It means if the conductor is smooth, the electric field will be more uniform as compared to rough surface. So, the roughness of conductor is caused by the decomposition or deposition of dirt, dust, and by scratching etc. Thus, rough line decrease the corona loss in the transmission lines. Next is air density factor. The corona loss is inversely proportional to air density factor. That is, corona loss increase with the increase in density of air. Transmission line passing through a hilly area may have higher corona loss than that of similar transmission lines in the plains because in hilly areas the density of air is low. We know that in hilly area air density is low, pressure is also low. So corona loss becomes higher. Next is effect of system voltage. Electric field intensity in the space around the conductor depends on the potential difference between the conductors. If the potential difference is high, electric field intensity is also very high, and hence corona is also high. It means as the system voltage increase, corona loss also increase. Corona loss increase with the increase in voltage. Next is spacing between the conductors. If the distance between two conductors is much more as compared to the diameter of the conductor, then corona loss occur in the conductor. If the distance between them is extended beyond certain limits, the dielectric medium between them gets decreased and corona loss also reduced. It means if conductors are placed at a proper distance in which there is no ionization or no effect of electric field on the other conductor, then corona loss reduces. Now there are some disadvantages of corona loss. First is the glow appear around the conductor which show the power loss occur on it. It means corona effect causes power loss in the line. Second is the audio noise occur because of corona effect which cause the power loss on the conductor. It is also right. Next is vibration of conductor occurs because of corona effect. So the corona effect generates the ozone because of which conductors become corrosive. It means due to corona effect there is decomposition of ozone. Next is corona effect produce the non-sinusoidal signal or harmonics. Thus non-sinusoidal voltage drop occur in the line. Next is the corona power loss reduce the efficiency of the line. It means due to corona there is a power loss in line due to which efficiency of the line also reduce. Next is radio and TV interference occur on the line because of corona effect. We know that due to corona effect non-sinusoidal signals produce which cause interference with radio and TV signals. Now there are some process of minimizing the corona effect. Corona effect decreases the efficiency of transmission line. Therefore, it is necessary to minimize corona. So the following factors may be considered to control corona loss. First is diameter of conductor. For reducing corona loss, this method of increasing conductor diameter is very effective. So the diameter of conductor can be increased by using hollow conductors. and by using steel cord aluminum conductor ACSR conductors. Next is the voltage of the line. Voltage of transmission line is fixed by economic consideration. So to increase the disruptive voltage, the spacing of conductors is to be increased, but this method has some limitations. Next is spacing between the conductors. If the space between conductors increase, then the voltage drop between them also increase due to increase in inductive reactance. Disruptive voltage is minimum voltage at which breakdown of air occur and corona start. What is the disruptive voltage? Disruptive voltage is the minimum voltage at which breakdown of air occur and corona start. Next term is visual critical voltage. This is the minimum voltage at which visible corona starts. Next is power loss due to corona. In the previous topic, we learned about the corona effect, due to which several losses occur in transmission lines. These losses decrease the efficiency of transmission line. Out of all the losses, corona power loss is the one which affects most the proficiency of line. Now, the power dissipated in the system due to corona discharge is called corona loss. Accurate estimation of corona loss is difficult because of its various nature. It has been found that the corona loss under fair weather condition is less than corona loss under fair weather condition is less than under foul weather condition. So, the corona loss under appropriate weather condition is given below by the P formula. So, the corona loss PC is equal to 244 upon del cosec F plus 25 cosec En minus E0 square under root R upon D into 10 to power 5 minus 5 kilowatt per kilometer per phase, जहाँ PC is corona power loss, F frequency of the supply, del air density factor, E0 RMS phase voltage in kilovolt, E0 disruptive critical voltage per phase in kilovolt, R radius of the conductor in meter, and these are the spacing between the conductors in meter. These are the factors which affect corona. Now, factor affecting corona loss: system voltage, effect of frequency, effect of density of air, effect of conductor radius. If the potential difference is higher, electric field intensity also higher, which cause corona loss. Next, efficiency of effect of frequency. Corona loss is directly proportional to the system frequency as shown in equation first. Next is effect of density of air. Corona loss is inversely proportional to the air density factor. So the corona loss increase with the decrease in density of air. The corona loss of hilly area is more than that of plain areas because plain have low density of air. Next is effect of conductor radius. If the wire area high, then their surface field intensity is low and corona loss is also low. This is the phenomena of corona effect, how it causes, what are the factors affecting corona, what are the disadvantages of corona, and how we can minimize corona. Okay, now we revise shortly. Dear students, in this lecture we revise corona. Corona effect, we have studied that it is the phenomenon of ionization of surrounding air around the conductor, due to which luminous glow with hissing noise is raised, is known as corona effect. Formation of corona is due to ionization of air surrounding the conductor. The ionization of air occurs due to the movement of free electrons or ions. Next is factors. Factors affecting the corona are effect of supply voltage. Due to when supply voltage is increased, corona effect is directly increased. Condition of surface area, enough area, corona loss also increased. Density factor, corona loss is inversely proportional to the air density factor. Effect of system voltage, corona loss is directly proportional to the system voltage. Spacing between the conductors, corona loss is inversely proportional to the distance between the conductors. It means if the distance between conductors increase, corona loss decrease. These are some factors which affect the corona loss. Now disadvantage corona. Disadvantages are undesirable effect of corona are glow appear across the conductor, due to which power loss occur in the line. Next is audio noise occur because of corona effect, which cause power loss on the conductor. Vibration of conductor occurs because of corona loss. The corona effect generates ozone, because of which conductor becomes corrosive. Next is corona effect produce non-sinusoidal signals, that those are known as harmonics, which cause interference in TV and radio signals. Method of minimization. We can minimize the corona effect by increasing the diameter of conductor, by reducing the voltage of the line, and by increasing the spacing between the conductors. There are two terms. One is disruptive voltage and second is visual critical voltage. Disruptive voltage is the minimum voltage at which corona breakdown of air occurs and corona starts, and visual voltage is the minimum voltage at which visible corona begins or starts. Now power loss due to corona. Power loss due to corona is given by the formula Pc is equal to 244 upon then H plus 25 En minus 0 square under root r upon d into 10 to the power minus 5 kilowatt per phase per kilometer. Now here F is the frequency supply, del density factor, N RMS phase voltage, E0 disruptive critical voltage, R radius of conductor, and D spacing between the conductors in meter. Some factors affecting corona: system voltage, effect of frequency, effect of air density, and effector of conductor radius. Directly proportional to the system voltage, directly proportional to the frequency, and inversely proportional to the air density factor, and inversely proportional to the distance between the conductors. These are the some factors which affect the Coulomb laws. Okay students, thank you for today's class. Ask for any query.